Meaning of grudgingly.
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 Grudgingly. The word grudgingly means to do something reluctantly or with resentment. When someone does something grudgingly, they are doing it but not with willingness or enthusiasm. It often implies a feeling of bitterness or discontent towards the actions being taken. For example, if a person grudgingly agrees to help someone move, they may do so but not with a positive attitude. They may feel resentful about the inconvenience and may not be fully committed to the task. Overall, grudgingly suggests an unwillingness to do something, but still proceeding nonetheless.